Hello, my fellow classmates. This is Timothy greeting you from 3 o'clock in the morning. Procrastination is of the devil. This is a video on the body systems, what they are, and give an example or two of the homeostasis balance in each one. I hope you learned something and enjoy it. Without further ado, here we are. The lymphatic system is a part of the circulatory system and a vital part of the immune system. It's comprised of a network of lymphatic vessels that carry a fluid called lymph. Lymph is a clear to white fluid made mostly of white blood cells. The tonsils, adenoids, spleen, and thymus are all part of the lymphatic system. They all help detect potentially dangerous bacteria and viruses in your blood. To help you remember where most of the lymph nodes are, they're located around your neck, armpit, and groin. One obvious example of lymphatic homeostasis is our body fighting off bacteria in your face, also known as pimples. Our body detects and signals where the white blood cells are needed, and there, the battle commences for your life. So next time you see a pimple on your face, thank your body for taking care of you. Or wash your face next time. Whatever floats your goat.
The respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and the lungs. A common cause of respiratory homeostatic imbalance is asthma. Air obstruction would result in decreased airflow into alveoli. The brain would then tell the body to make a change. Because airflow is not filling the alveoli, causing oxygen to be released into the capillaries surrounding the tiny sacs, nor CO2 to be released into alveoli, the lungs then fail, causing the asthma attack. An asthma pump that is prescribed is then used to open the airway and maintain homeostasis.
The cardiovascular system is composed of both the heart and blood vessels. It's also where the circulation of blood happens. The cardiovascular system also consists of arteries, capillaries, and veins. Its general function is to transport blood throughout the body to allow the exchange of substances between the blood of capillaries and the body cells. Cardiovascular homeostasis regulates the delivery of hormones and nutrients along with the removal of waste products. It is one of the interconnecting systems in the body responsible for maintaining stability. If stability is not maintained, problems like shortness of breath may occur for a patient whose cells are not getting enough oxygen. For example, someone who has lost a great deal of blood cannot self-regulate their blood pressure and may go into shock.
Although the reproductive system isn't necessary for an individual's survival, it is essential for the survival of the human population. The system pertains to both sexes. The sex organs of the male reproductive system are the testes, where the sperm are produced, and the penis. The female system consists of the ovaries, the oviducts, the uterus, and the vagina. One example of the male reproductive system maintaining homeostasis is regulating the temperature of the testicles. When cold, the testes will attract closer to the body. When exposed to heat, the testes will descend. In this order, sperm is protected from the risk of disease and infertility problems. An example of maintaining homeostasis in the female reproductive system is the controlling of the pH of the vagina. Secretions of the vagina protect the environment from microorganisms that could throw the pH out of balance or, in worst cases, cause infection and infertility. In addition to vaginal secretions, the menstrual cycle keeps the environment acidic for a healthy reproductive nature.
The muscular system is made up of over 600 muscles, consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It circulates blood throughout the body, The muscular system is responsible for your body's movement. It produces heat when muscles contract. So when your brain senses that you are cold, it causes goosebumps, and your body starts to shiver to produce heat for warmth.
The function of the urinal system is to remove liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine, keep a stable balance of salts and other substances in the blood, and produce erythropoietin, a hormone that aids in the formation of red blood cells. The urinal system maintains blood homeostasis by filtering out excess fluid and other substances from the bloodstream and secreting waste. This is a negative feedback.
And there you have it, body systems. I hope you got something out of this and study hard for this test this upcoming Friday. See you in class.